Again, we're back to the ball game. Welcome to our sixth and final game of the day. It's Libmanan versus Milaor, partner. Grabe, partner, yung nakita na laro natin from umaga hanggang gabi. Again, good evening sa mga live viewers natin and sa manonood sa ating Facebook Live and sa YouTube channel. Partner, ito na. It's Libmanan versus Milaor.
Ito, partner, yung first five ng Libmanan, si okay, so ito nga, from Libmanan, si Rodolfo Jimenez, tapos si Julian Gutierrez, tapos si Marjunel Masbanyo, number 11, number 20, si Jamie Hermosa, tapos number 28, Franco Claro.
Para naman sa Milaor, si Sumayaw, Habana, Cecilio, and Vargas, and Porteria.
So, ito, partner, may mga nakilala ko ng mga players dito.
Yes, partner, ako nakakita rin ako ng
mga key players to, mga notable players to watch dito sa laban natin. Unang-una dito si Alan Francisco, 6'1" to, former varsity player ng USI. So, veterano to na player, magaling to sa ilalim. Siyempre si Frank Claro Jr., varsity player ng UNC saka NCF. Okay, at si Jimenez, ito kilala to. Former varsity rin to ng NCF, national player. Top 10 best outstanding player in Naga City. So let's kumbaga tingnan natin ang composition nitong Libmanan is very athletic at talagang alam ko takbuhan ng gusto nito.
Yes, partner. Ayan, on the other hand, nakikita ko nag-point guard ang veteran na si Vargas from Ateneo. Vargas rotating the ball to Cecilio, number 77. No good. Rebound by Vargas. Vargas sizing the defense, attacking, bumps, fakes. Outlets to number 10 of Milaor. Milaor with a short stab. No good. Vargas with a dribble. With a layup for two. Vargas. Yan, partner, very composed talaga. Alam mo naman, pag veterano partner talaga, pag nasa loob, iba.
Very crafty talaga si Vargas. Kahit noon pa, na pagkakamalan na yan, na veterano na, although 17 years old pa lang yan, nag-i-import na yan dati sa mga open, sa mga liga-liga dito sa Kamsur.
Partner, yes, partner, naririnig ko na rin yung pangalan ni Vargas. And Vargas talagang orchestrating the offense of Milaor. Kicks it out to number 5 of Milaor. Na si Philip Portea. He will through for the line for 3. Kasi na-foul siya in the act of shooting sa 3-point territory.
Ito, partner, dagdago lang. Partner in crime niya dyan sa Milaor, si Habana. Former varsity din yan, at the same time dating player ng Kamsur Express.
Ay, maganda experience pala yung partner kasi he has entered the Express basketball program.
Yan yung number 10.
2-4-2 para sa number 5 ng Milaor. Number 5 taking his last free throw. 3-4-3 for Porteria. Number 28, Claro Jr. dribbling the ball. Pointing direction sa kanilang offense. Kicks it out to number 10. Number 17. Steal by number 77. Passes to number 5. Number 5 with the layup all alone for 2. Kita natin, partner, medyo mabilis ang transition ng Milaor kasi maganda ang kanilang depensa. Jimenez with the outside shot. No good. Rebound. Again, nahuli, partner. Medyo may lumabas na matalim. Partner, si number 24 na Milaor na si Nino Sumayaw. Again, partner, ball will remain to Libmanan. Claro, directing traffic, crosses over. Inside the paint, kicks it out to number 11. Number 11, bumps. Huli, partner. That is the value of Vargas, partner. Sacrificing his body para sa depensa. And credit kasi nakakuha siya ng offensive foul laban sa Milaor. Again, 8 minutes and 15 seconds. 7-0, Milaor.
Yes.
Vargas directing traffic. Passes to number 77. 24, posting. 24 kicks it out to number 77. Porteria. Turnover. Medyo nagmadali. Hindi pa na-receive yung bola. Nakatingin na si ring partner.
Oo. So, so far, nangyayari yung depensa ng Milaor so far kasi kita mo naman partner kung gaano ka mga kabeterano. Kabeterano ang nasa loob ng Milaor.
Yes,
So,
partner.
pero sabi ko nga, itong mga pyesa ng Libmanan, ito rin nakakatakot dito kasi once nagkaroon ng momentum to, pag itong takbuhan na, medyo delikado dito ang Milaor kasi medyo in terms of, sabi ko nga, in terms of energy naman ng youth, medyo lamang na naman dito sa kabila.
Cecilio with the short stab. Bukit. Ang ganda
Oo.
ng pag-orchestrate ni Vargas. Talagang
Oo.
well-organized ang offense ng Milaor. Kaya medyo madali ang tira sa kanila. Again, pero sinagot yan na number 28, Claro, with the Rainbow Territory for 3.
Yan ang specialty niyan, partner. Ni Claro.
Yes, partner. Medyo kita maganda yung bitaw niya, partner. As he defended Cecilio, passes to Vargas. Vargas looking for his teammates. Number 10, Vargas. Passing number 77, Cecilio with the baseline jumper. Bukit. Partner, as you notice, partner, talagang very organized, very systematic yung opensa ng Milaor, partner.
Oo. Doon mo, kumbaga, talagang aasahan yung isang Julius Vargas.
Yes,
In
part-
terms of, kumbaga, kita mo naman, napakalinis, di nagpapanik.
Yes,
Di
partner.
ba? Umiikot yung bola, napaka-relax.
Tama, partner. Yun ang pinakamagandang gamiting word. Napakalinis ng opensa.
Oh, swabing-swabe.
Yes, hindi nararatel because aram naman natin si Julius Vargas talaga has so many battles na
Oo.
pinagdaanan inside the court. And sabi mo nga, partner, kanina banggit mo na he is also a former Kamsur Express, partner.
Yes, oo. So, ito nga, kumbaga si Vargas, ang pinaka-main purpose namin, niya sa amin noon sa Kamsur Express is kumbaga siya ang brain. Brain ng team in terms of offense and defense pag nasa loob siya.
Kaya kitang-kita naman na naidadala niya yan on the
Oo.
part of Milaor. 6 minutes and 53 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Score is 3 for Libmanan and 11 for Milaor. Jimenez passes the ball to number 28. Jimenez dribbles the ball. Number 20 with the post up of 2 points on the part of number 20.
So, kung nakita natin doon coach, di nagmadali yung Libmanan. So nakuha nila yung puntos.
Yes, partner, kung napansin mo, 3 points para kay Portea galing sa magandang offense setup na ginawa ni Vargas.
Ito si Portea, actually notable player din to. Magaling to, partner. Magaling to. So asahan natin ang inside-outside presence in terms of offense. Si Philip Portea.
Yan, partner, nakita
Porteria.
natin. Take a look, yung kanyang 3 points sa gilid, talagang net lang ang tinamaan. Pasok na pasok, partner.
Oo. So kung mapansin mo, alam to ni Julius alam to ni Vargas. Talagang di niya minamadali yung offense kasi alam niya pag once sa nagtakbuhan, medyo madidihado sila kasi kung mapansin mo ko sa kabila, they have 3 guards combination. So medyo deadly yan in terms of transition offense. So
Last shot on the part of number 7 ng Libmanan.
si Agduro.
Pumasok ang kanyang tira. Partner, number 7 reminds me of former Ginebra player, yung tindig niya.
Oo.
Si, yan? Yung may tattoo din, si Kent Salado.
Yan,
Partner. Kent Salado, partner.
Oo.
Vargas, directing traffic, crosses over, kicks it out to number 5. Number 5, back-to-back threes
Yun ang
for
sinasabi
Porteria.
ko.
Yun na nga, yung Vargas
Oo.
and Porteria.
Porteria.
Connection, partner.
Pangalawa na yan.
Gumagana. Ayan, babawin ba na number 23 sa 3 points. Vargas with the rebound, dribbling the ball. Looking for his teammates.
Oh, di ba,
Directing
partner?
traffic. Naghihingi ng pick. Porteria open for 3. Swings it to 77. Porteria, number 10 with the short stab. Bukit. And a partner, si Habana.
Oo.
Making his presence sa loob ng court with the short jumper.
Ano talaga yan, coach? So, may touch yan sa perimeter. Si Habana.
Jimenez with the long three. No good. Rebound by 77. 77, traffic to Porteria for 3. No good. Good defense on the part of Milaor. Vargas with the offensive rebound. Passes to Porteria. Porteria for 2. Plus the foul. Ayan na partner. Talagang very reliable tong si Porteria.
Oo.
Galing na naman yun sa magandang pasa ng kanyang mga teammates, partner. Ganon ka-organize ang Milaor. Sharing the ball with his open teammates.
Correct. Actually, doon sa play na yon, actually, from offense saka defense. From defense to offense. Vargas yun, partner. Vargas.
Yes, grabe. Porteria completes the 3-point play. Number 28, Claro, dribbling the ball. Passes to number 7. Number 7, Claro swings the ball. Number 88 for 3. Rebound by number 7. Number 7, Agdoro
So,
with the 2 points.
So,
As you
yun
can
pa.
see, ayan na si Vargas attacking the defense sa Milaor. Slashing, misses the shot. Humihingi ng foul. Claro, looking for his teammates. Looking left to right. Crosses over with the left hand. No good. Rebound by number 77. Outlets to number 24. 24 looking, slashing, attacking. Offensive foul on the part of number 24. Sumayaw. Partner, ang ganda na sana ng galaw niya. Kaso talaga nahuli lang yung kanyang kamay. Mahinawi ang kanyang defender.
Ito, partner, yung depensa ngayon ng Milaor, it's extended 2-3 zone. Kasi nirespeto nila outside shooting, pero at the same time, hindi nila basta bibigay yung ilalim.
Okay, partner.
Oo.
Si Tegra number 7 looking for 3. Claro. Passes to number 24 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 77. Ayan na. Vargas looking for his teammates. Loses the ball. Porteria dribbling. Vargas with a good pass. Sayang. Hindi lang nakuha ni Habana yung bola pero good intention but hindi lang nagmaterialize ang kanyang pasa. Partner, 3 minutes and 44 seconds remaining in the first quarter. 9 points para sa Libmanan, 22 para sa Milaor.
Medyo napatay mo doon yung Milaor kasi medyo nagkakaroon ng konting pagka-disorganize sa offense. Medyo
Yes, partner.
binamadali nila ng konti, nanggigigil sila. Yun siguro ayaw na mangyari ni coach na huwag tayong manggigil at mga kalaban natin may kakayaan yan makakambak. Lalo ginagamit ng Libmanan is 3-guard combination at sabi ko nga ito si Claro, si Jimenez at yun pagpasok na yung veteran nila si Francisco, kayang-kaya nila ito na kumbaga makagawa ng comeback.
And partner, ating laro is still your Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Elizalde Co and ng Ako Bicol Party List. Maraming salamat sa walang sawang suporta sa mga atleta ng Bicolano. And again, number 28 dribbling the ball, passes to number 88. Savia kicks it out to number 7. Claro passes to his teammate number 88 for 3. No good. Good backs out but number 7 with the offensive rebound and a stretch layup for 2.
Doon si Salva pinasok na, dating player ko rin yan sa NCF noon. Actually yun ang problema natin. Yun ang problema natin coach pag ikaw ang nag-implement ng 2-3 so lalo pa extended. Madaling makuha na yan offensive rebound at the same time yung mga cutters.
Partner, ang gandang galaw nung Claro. Maliit pero talagang he is driving to the basket. Talaga, lakas ng talon. Vargas, a very steady point guard. Directing traffic, humingi ng pick. Vargas posting up, Abdoro. Nahuli
Huli
partner.
doon.
Nahuli partner. Good defense ng Milaor. Ayan partner, patapos na yung ating first quarter pero medyo mataas ang score ng Milaor. Sana naman makabawi. Partner, anong adjustments ang pwedeng gawin on the side of Libmanan?
So unang-una, they must settle down partner kasi masyado sila nang gigigil. Gusto ka nilang implement yung laro nila which is run and gun. Hindi basta-basta mangyari yun, lalo mga veterano to, lalo dito dyan yung presence ni Vargas. Tagalang magaling magtimon yan. So they need to organize first. And then dapat they should concentrate muna sa defense kasi madali silang nai-scorean partner. Katulad yan. Hindi nila alam yung may shot clock, buti pumasok.
Partner,
Agdoro.
off the bench, Agdoro. Talagang gumagawa, partner. Medyo maganda yung kanyang shooting touch. Siguro may 7 points na siya, partner.
Oo.
Milaor, crossover. Good defense ng Libmanan. Again, attacking the basket. Ayun na, nauna si Claro. Claro all alone, 4-2.
Yun.
Partner, grabe, bilis ng Claro, partner.
Yun ang sinasabi ko, partner. Na yung kakayahan nila. Kaya, di ba sabi ko kanina, they must concentrate on defense. At yun nga, magandang defense, mas magandang offense yung
Yes,
nangyari.
partner. Better defense leads to good offense, partner. Ayan na, partner. Muntik na maagaw ng Libmanan. Out of bounds. The ball will remain with Milaor. Partner, number 28, Claro. Reminds me of isang player sa Manila na si Erwin Palencia.
Oo.
Kasi ganun din
Palencia,
kaliit.
ganyan
May
kaliit.
tato. And then he can shoot outside. Kaya medyo yung tindig niya halos pareho.
Parehas.
Kay Erwin Palencia.
Oo.
Ayan na, partner. Ball will remain to Milaor. Priela inbounding the ball to Porteria, 4-3. No good. Rebound by Casulla. Porteria again. He check 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 7 of Milaor. Forcing his issue. No good. Rebound by number 88 with the right hand layup.
Medyo nag-iba talaga, partner, nung wala na dyan si Vargas.
Yes, partner.
Kitang-kita.
Yes, partner. Talagang medyo kailangan mag-settle down ng Milaor sa kanilang offense. Number 3, open, slicing the defense with the layup misses. Number 23 with the rebound. Number 88, dribbling the ball to number 77. Open for 3. No good. Rebound by number 11. Dribbling the ball. Attacking the defense. Scoop shot. No good. Again, Agdoro attacking, sizing the defense. Passes to number 1 of Libmanan. Blocked by number 3. Porteria. Passes to number 67. 67 attacking the defense. Fakes. Using the board. No good. Rebound by number 23. Agdoro rushing. Passes intercepted by number 5. Sloppy ball game po ang nangyayari sa atin ngayon, coach. Medyo iyon ang sinasabi ko. Another turnover. Turnover after turnover ang ginagawa ng both teams. Medyo they should settle down.
Correct.
To have a better offense, partner.
Lalo yung Milaor kasi sabi ko nga, pabor yan ng ganyang laruan dito sa Libmanan.
Agdoro, no good. Rebound by Milaor, number 5. 4 against 1. Kailangan mo antayin ang kanyang teammates.
Oo, at wala na bumaba, medyo kinapos na.
Yes. 4 seconds remaining on the clock. Number 67 attacking. Short stab. No good. Partner, that ends our first quarter with the score of 20-22 in favor of Milaor, partner. We will be right back. Partner, as we take a look to some highlights nangyari sa ating first quarter, partner. Medyo good start for the part of Milaor, but adjustments are made sa Libmanan kaya medyo nakahabol. Ayan, partner, pinasok na ulit si Vargas para magtimon sa Milaor.
Oo, kasi yung nga partner na kumbaga kitang-kita yung Vargas factor. Nung paglabas niya, medyo humabol at nawala sa kumbaga wisyo yung sa sistema, lalo sa opensa yung Milaor. At dito naman sa kabila, gumawa silang 3-guard combination at yung bumilis yung laro.
Grabe, good move on the part of Sumayaw. Spinning sa baseline. Ayan na yung Milaor. Euro step. 2 points. Grabe, partner, medyo bumibilis ang pace ng laro. Number 77, dribbling the ball. attacking the defense. Kicks it out. Vargas kicks it out to number 10, Habana with a short stab. No good. Rebound by 88, Salva. Salva outlets to number 11. Loses the ball but Libmanan regains possession.
So, yun partner, kung mapansin natin, di ba? Always every possession, gustong itakbo ng Libmanan kasi alam nila na kapag nakaset ng depensa ang Milaor, medyo mahirapan sila.
Yes, partner, napapansin ko rin na medyo talagang mabibilis. At medyo bata-bata lang konti ang lineup ng Libmanan.
Oo. So, ito partner, ang kagandahan dito, ganun pa rin, youth versus experience, pero mas balance ito ngayon. Mas balance itong Milaor.
What a pass by number 88, Salva. Alley-oop for number 11. And a partner, 22-24 in favor of Milaor. 9 minutes and 1 second remaining in the second quarter. Sumayaw, looking for his teammates. Number 10, cutting. Isolation na part of 24 versus 23. Parang carrying o may dribbling violation na tinawag sa number 24 na si Sumayaw. As you take a look, the alley-oop ng Libmanan. Gumaganda na talaga ang offense sa Libmanan.
Since ginawa nilang pinasok nito si Salva at siya na nagtimon.
Yes, partner, medyo passive. Maganda yung as you take a look sa 3 ni Abdoro. Rebound by number misses the shot. Medyo may nahuli.
May lambingan.
May lambingan, partner. Ako nakita from number 24. Si Nino Sumayaw commits a foul. Second team foul on the part of Sumayaw. He is going to the bench, replaced by number 14.
Oo, partner, kung makita
Si
mo
Gonowon.
kung makita mo doon partner yung pagka-immature pa in terms of offense recognition ng Libmanan doon. Kahit may bantay, basta nakuha nila yung bola, nakita yung ring, tinira.
Yes, again, Vargas outlets to number 77 with the layup. Nakakuha ng foul si Cecilio. Cecilio will troop to the line for 2. Kita mo, partner, pag nakukuha ni Vargas yung bola, he is running and finding his open teammates for a better shot selection, partner.
Iba yan. Kung sabi ko nga, ang basketball IQ, hindi natuturo yan.
Yes, partner. Number 77, Cecilio makes his first free throw. And alam mo naman natin, ang laro natin is talagang live sa ating Facebook page. And meron din tayong Ako Bicol Cup YouTube channel. Paki-like and subscribe na rin para manood ng mga games dito sa ating mga venue. Substitution number 10, bumabalik si Jimenez. Ayan na, partner, yung 3-guard line na pa rin. Nandiyan pa rin. Salva. Passes to Jimenez. Jimenez. Bad pass. Yan na, partner. Cecilio. Vargas with the short stab. Book it. Partner, nakita ko yung reaction ni Vargas once na binitawan niya yung tira. Alam nang pasok na.
Very composed, partner.
Partner, at nandito ang ating isa sa ating mga nagagandang courtside reporter na si Jessa para sa kanyang report para sa Team Libmanan. Jessa, pasok.
Well, thank you, Coach Juan and Coach John. The game has just begun, but as we can see at first, Team Libmanan is struggling. Nasabayan ang laro ng Team Milaor and still reserving their all-out efforts. Lack of team communication. Isa nga yan sa nagiging problema ng Team Libmanan during the starting period. Kaya naman nahihirapan sila magkaroon ng maayos na ball rotation. That's why Team Libmanan decided to doubling their efforts this time. Kaya naman tuluyan na silang nakakahapol. That's the latest for now. Back to you, Coach Rowan and Coach John.
Thank you, Jessa, sa update para sa Team Libmanan. Yun na nga, partner, as Jessa said a while ago, talagang kulang sa ball rotation ang Libmanan, kaya medyo nahihirapan sila sa opensa. On the other hand naman, kung gaano kasama ang ball rotation ng Libmanan, ganun din kaganda ang rotation ng bola para sa Milaor.
So yung sinasabi ko, partner, kahit ranking kayo, you still need a court general sa loob.
Yes, partner. As you take a look, pinasok na ulit si Claro. Claro for the long three. Mintis, Jimenez with the offensive rebound with a spin. Drop pass to number 20. Scores.
Bihirang-bihira yung gano'n. Nakita
Yes,
tayo mga
partner.
extra pass
Yes,
from
partner.
Libmanan.
Vargas looking for his teammates. Looking for Perela. Misses the shot. Rebound by number 11. Kalawit rebound by Masbanyo. Jimenez dribbling the ball against Vargas. Vargas defending. Crossover. Jimenez kicks it out to number 20. Steal by number 77. 77 passes to Vargas. Intercepted by Agdoro. Agdoro with the layup. Score for 2. Grabe partner. Lumilipad partner.
Very athletic talagang Agduro na to. Inside, outside pati ang kakayahan.
Yes partner. Malapit na. Dalawa na lang lamang ng Milaor. As we take a look, Vargas sizing the defense. Fakes. Kicks it out. Number 3 of Milaor. Habana. Inside the paint. Forces the issue. No good. Passes to number 3 and 1 plus the foul for Priela.
Mamaan.
Yes, partner. Medyo sinwerte pa. Kasi budge play na. Nakuha pa yung bola.
Kumbaga partner, sabi ko nga, dito nakita natin kung ano rin yung personality ng Milaor team. Talagang magaling mang mama.
Yes, partner. Kasi kita ko rin parang matagal na sila nagsasama-sama din because of the chemistry. Kita mo, alam nila kung saan nakaposisyon yung kanyang mga kampi. Bonus free throw, misses. Rebound by number 20, Hermosa. Passes to number 4, a new guy. Jimenez looking for his teammates. Muntik ng maagawan. Number 20 with the medium range. No good. Rebound by number 15, Vargas. Vargas rushing. Intercepted by Claro. Kicks it out to number 11. 11 with the left hand and 1 plus the foul. Grabe partner, linipat sa kaliwa.
So, yun partner. Pag ang kalaban mo is run and gun at magaling magkinis sa loob, lalo sa transition, wag ka magpupos ng turnover.
Yes pare, kasi kita mo talagang determinado. Si number 11, si Masbanyo talagang linipad niya. At nung nasa lubong niya yung depensa, linipat niya sa kaliwa.
Yung dapat ginawa ni Lebron.
Yes. Ayan. Kaso, hindi niya na-complete ang kanyang 3-point play. Vargas, dribbling, directing traffic. Good pass. What a pass by Jimenez. To Jimenez. But intercepted by Jimenez. Jimenez against Vargas. Good defense on the part of Vargas. Jimenez crossing over between the legs. Drop pass to number 20. Claro. Bad pass, but it covers by Jimenez. Jimenez, 6 seconds on the shot clock. Jimenez passes to Claro. Claro for 3. No good. Rebound by number 12.
Grabing depensa, partner.
Yes, partner. Talagang medyo dikit ang depensa na Milaor. Vargas, again, outlet pass to number 14. Traveling. Sayang ang pasa ni Vargas. Grabe, partner. Kitang-kita kung gaano kagaling yung court vision ni Vargas pagdating sa loob.
Ito, partner, sabi ko nga, ito talaga yung pag-asa ng limanan dito. Lalo wala silang nagtitimon na player. Kailangan nilang bilisan laro. Kasi pag nakaset talaga yung depensa ng Milaor, hirap na hirap sila.
Yeah,
ganun kagaling, kabiterano tong mga to.
Yes, partner, with 5 minutes and 16 seconds remaining in the second quarter. Jimenez pumukol ng 3. Wala. Yes, it's rebound by number 7. Outlets to Cecilio. Cecilio. Hinantay kanyang mga kakampi. Passes to Jimenez. Jimenez. Again, back-to-back traveling violations on the part of Milaor. Sayang, partner, kasi he's open. Automatic 2 points sa sana yun, kaso nanggigilang.
4 points sa sana yun.
Yes, partner, medyo umaalagwa na. Claro, dribbling the ball. Passes to number 24. 24, attacking. Score, Vargas. 2 points. Grabe, partner.
And dahil dun, partner, pati yung mga shooter nila, ito si Claro. Natatakot nang magdala ng bola at the same time tumira.
Yes, partner, kasi
nahihirapan siya.
I've noticed ang backcourt ng Milaor malaki with the likes of Cecilio and Vargas, talagang medyo malaki compared sa backcourt ng Libmanan. Ayan na naman, Vargas looking for his teammates. Hesitation. Naagawan. Claro. All alone for 2. Basket for Claro. Ayan, partner. Good defense and better offense talaga.
Correct.
Number 14. Vargas looking for Bermas. on the post. Gives it to Bermas. Bermas pounding his way. 2 points for the part of Bermas. Grabe, partner. Masahe muna bago score.
Correct. Dapat siguro gawin ng madalas yun ng Milaor kasi kung tingnan natin, lahat yan gwardiya nasa loob.
Yes, partner.
Ng Libmanan.
Claro. Open for 3. Buket.
Yun ang kailangan. Kailangan ng Libmanan na makonvert yung mga 3 points sila kasi kung di lang mo-convert yan, nako, di luluwag ang
Partner,
depensa.
good pass. Number 14 with the hook. 2 points for number 14. Gonowon. Reyna Jimenez dribbling between the legs. Kicks it out to Claro. Claro for 3. Misses. Number 4 with the offensive rebound. Buket for 2.
Yun ang minsan nakaka-frustrate sa coach pag nakita mo ganda ng depensa nyo pero
Yes.
hindi kayo nakabox out.
On the last
Nako.
minute, talagang nakascore pa yung kalaban mo. Vargas humihingi ng pick kay Gunowon. Vargas attacking. Good pass for Cecilio but intercepted. Claro, nangunguna. Defended by Vargas. Claro with the layup, no good. Number 24 with the rebound, no good. Rebound by Vargas. Vargas outlets to number 13. Passes to Bermas. Bermas pounding his move. No good. Number 4, Mina with the rebound. Jimenez dribbling. Passing to number 24. 24 with the teardrop. Good for 2.
Doon lamang, sabi ko nga, kung gusto talaga na makahabol itong Libmanan, they need more of that, ng mga malilinis transition offense.
This is number 7, Cecilio. Sizing the defense with a pull-up. No good. Rebound by Correa, number 24. Jimenez rushing, dribbling with between the legs. Teardrop, 2 points for 2. Time out on the part of Milaor. Partner, grabe. What a good run sa Libmanan.
Lumamang na, kasi yun nga partner, sabi ko nga, naging patient sila, ginawa na nila, sige, dinepensa nila ng maayos. At nagbunga, at nagkaroon na ng maraming turnovers as well. Take a look yung floater ng number 10.
Yes, pare. Between the legs, sabay
Between the
floater.
legs, ang galing. Oh.
Ganda. With 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining in the second quarter, lamang na po ang Libmanan, 41-38. Grabe, partner, napatawag ng timeout si Milaor. Kasi, partner, nandito na rin ang isang ating magandang courtside reporter.
Yes.
Na si Carmela para sa kanyang report sa Team Milaor. Carmela, take it away.
Sabi naman ni Coach Dennis Medina ng Team Milaor kanina sa huddle, they have to make some hard defense. Hindi sila pwedeng kumulang sa mga depensa, and when it comes to their offensive side naman, they really have to spot the open man. And also in their rotation, they have to execute the best rotation of the ball upang mas may padali at makuha nila ang panalo ngayong gabi. Dagdag niya pa sa kanyang mga players ay mag-relax lang at kumpiyansa sa sarili ang kailangan. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Carmela, sa update para si Milaor. Partner, may new guy sa loob ng court, number 29 para sa Milaor.
Oo.
Si Bare, number 29.
Number 29.
Jimenez directing traffic. Jimenez with the long 3. Air ball. He check, partner, he check.
Oo,
Nadala siya.
Pero good shot yun kasi
Yes.
I know Jimenez, kayang-kaya na yun.
Yes, sabi nga ni Yeng Giao noon, an open shot is a good shot pa rin.
Oo.
May mga coaches na ganun, partner, na pag hindi mo tinira ang isang open shot, lalabas at ilalabas ka niya.
Ito partner, ginawa ni Libmanan kontra Pelo. Diba kanina naka 2-3 zone sila. Ngayon biglang minantuman after the timeout ng Milaor.
May mga bagong players tayo, coach. Si Rason sa Milaor.
Okay.
Yung partner. Jimenez, talagang ina-atake ang depensa ng Milaor. Pupunta siya sa line for 2.
So, kasi hindi din talaga nila mag-coordinate na. Kasi kung di, kumbaga, mauubos sila. Matagal-tagal pa to partner. Nasa second quarter pa lang tayo.
Yes, partner. Jimenez will troop to the line for 2. Medyo Jimenez is taking over this time kasi medyo nacha-challenge siguro siya.
Oo.
Kasi yung pinapakita ni Vargas kahit hindi umi-score pero talagang binubutas yung depensa ng Libmanan. Good shot. Jimenez makes his first free throw.
Medyo awkward lang tira nito pero shooter to partner si Jimenez.
Oh, kita sa follow through talagang hindi lang pang TV pero sure ball. Number 29 Bare dribbling the ball. Attacks, hesitates. What a shot.
Ganda.
Talagang attacking the heart of the defense ng Milaor. Ganun coach, yung talagang mga gusto kong player, yung matatapang.
Correct.
Talagang kayang lumusot kahit despite his height. Jimenez for 3. No good. Rebound by number 23. Offensive rebound. Another offensive rebound by number 1.
Ito kailangan i-box out nila to.
Yes,
Mga
partner,
to, kasi
medyo-
lakas lumundag.
Yes, medyo mahaba nakapasok sa ano ngayon, Libmanan.
Oo.
Ayan na, number 9. Porteria. Medyo napatagal ang pasok. Number 29.
Yun.
Bare for 3. Kaboom! Partner, medyo magic bunot.
Oo.
Ano nangyari for the part of Milaor? Instant offense, kagad. Pagpasok ni Bare. 5 points straight. Jimenez.
Yun ang masarap sa feeling pag coach ka. Pag nakaganon ka, nakaka-magic bonus ka.
Yes, partner. Nakakapogi masyado sa coach.
Oo, di ba? Ang sarap niyan.
Kaya instant offense naman kay Bare. Yun na matapang din kasi siguro itong bata to. Kaya talagang buo ang loob. Lumusot at tumira sa labas. Jimenez kicks it out to number 23 with the short stab. Rebound by Bare. Bare speeding. Faking. Pass to number 13. Razon, no good. Salva with the rebound. Habana looking for his teammates. Vargas hesitates. Makes the 3, no good. Rebound by Bare. Exit out to Porteria with the corner 3. Kaboom!
Yun.
Yan ang partner. Time winding down. Pasok ang tira with a score of 44-45. Pabor sa Milaor. That ends our second quarter. We'll be back. And we are back to our ball game. Andito na po tayo sa ikatatlong yugto ng laro with a 44 and 46. Nabawi ng Libmanan ang kanilang kalamangan. Ay, rather ng Milaor ang kanilang kalamangan kasi lumumang on the last dying seconds ang Milaor. Buti na lang nakakuha ng corner 3 si Porteria para mabawi ang kalamangan ng Libmanan.
So ito partner, si battle nangyayari. Di ba? Let's see kung anong ulit mangyayari, kung ganun pa rin ba. Pero may dumating ng mga firepower kasi may mga bagong itong Milaor. So kumbaga it changes the kumbaga complexion of the game.
Yes, partner. As ito partner ang leading scorers sa mga teams na ito for Milaor, Porteria with 15 points. Grabe, puro outside shooting to kanina. And the usual suspects, si Vargas with 6 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, and 3 steals. Para naman sa Libana, partner.
Dito man sa Libanan, si as usual, ito, inakasantagan na to, si Claro. With 12 points, tapos 1 assist. Tapos, ito, si Agduro, yung kanilang
Yes,
do-it-all
partner.
guy.
Yes, partner.
11 points, and then 1 steal. And
Yes.
1 rebound.
Yes,
Right.
partner. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung ano come second half, kung ano magiging complexion ng laro kasi medyo maganda na ang nagiging laro with the addition kung mga players na dumating for Milaor with the likes of Rason and Bare.
Oo. Ito yung Bare, ito yung medyo naging X factor dito.
Yes, partner.
Kasi nakaka-penetrate ang 'di ba, kung mapapansin natin yung Libanan, wala silang natural center. So malaking problema 'yan.
Yes, partner. Kaya possession for Milaor. Vargas heavily guarded by Agdoro. Vargas humingi ng pick kay Razon. Razon with a curl. No good. Number 10, Habana fakes. Strong to the basket. Nakakuha ng foul, partner.
Oo. Ang ganda ng pagkapig doon. Alam kasi ng scouted dito sa Habana na mayroong perimeter shot to.
Kaya pala
challenge nila.
lumapit kagad ang depensa.
Oo.
And he fakes the defender and goes strong to the basket. Now, Habana will troop to the line for 2. And misses the first shot. Last throw for the free throw. Habana makes it. Number 88, Salva, dribbling to number 20. Number 11, dribbling with a spin move. What a shot! Kaso traveling lang on the part of Basbanyo. Sayang, partner, medyo na-outbalance lang. Nandun galaw pero di nag-materialize.
Nandun si Pate kasi yung kaliwang dribble niya eh. So napilitin siyang awkward spin going to his
Yes, partner, tingnan mo, nagmaman to man ang Libana na Vargas directing traffic. Crossover, kicks it out to Razon, to Bare. Bare sizing the defense. Dribbling. Bare takes a 3. No good. Rebound by, sabi ng referee, white ball daw. White ball. The ball will remain to Milaor with 9 minutes and 13 seconds in the third quarter. 44-47 in favor of Milaor.
Ito na mo ng partner. Dalawa na yung green doon. Sila pa yung tumilapon.
Oh, good block pero medyo may nakitang foul.
May contact.
Yes, partner, may contact. Iba talaga yung pasok ng coach for Bare. Medyo he is aggressive when it comes to offense. Kaya ayan na naman, he will head for the line for 2. Bare makes the first. Partner, sa aking bilang, siguro meron na tong 6 or 7 points si Bare.
Oo.
Instant offense para sa Milaor.
Ito may pinapalis kasi medyo delikado yan. Partner, yung mga gano'n, yung mga accessories. Kasi
Yes.
pag minsan sumabit dyan yung kamay, it will cause na magkaroon tayo ng injury.
Yes, medyo.
Madaliri.
Oo,
Kawawa
medyo
talaga yan.
partner, marami talagang pinagbabawal ng mga ganyan yan.
Oo.
Kasi under FIBA rules ata, marami talagang bagong rules ngayon na hindi
Oo.
pwedeng, like yung mga undershirts, dapat kakulay daw.
Kakulay.
Di ko lang sure, but ganun, marami tayo dapat pag-aralan para to innovate the game and kumbaga, mag-level up na rin tayo kahit dito sa ating local scene.
Correct. Kasi minsan daw kasi partner, bawa yung kulay nung magkaiba, yung undershirt mo is kapares yung kalaban. Minsan unang tingin
Yes,
nila,
partner. Opo, partner.
tatawagan nila in favor dun sa kalaban. Or what I mean is, kung yung error is sa inyo, tinatawag dun sa kalaban.
Yes, partner.
Oo.
And ayan, natawagan tuloy ng delay of game ang Libmanan. Barde with the last free throw. Hindi pumasok, partner. Siguro nawala dun sa bracelet kasi tinanggal kaya hindi nakapasok yung free throw. Barde again with a dribble, exhibition, posting up. Grabe, partner, talaga itong iba. May post up at may dribble pa rin si Bare.
Sinasali yung defense talaga ni Agduro. Si Agduro naman, nanggigigil. Gusto niya tang tapalin.
Yes, partner. Again, andin na naman. Suking-suki sa line si Bare for 2. Makes the first one. Again, this Eco Bicol Cup would not be possible if not kay Congressman Elizalde and
Yes,
ng
oo.
Eco Bicol Party List. Maraming salamat po. Agduro, crossing over. gets the foul on Habana. Sumundot, nahuli sa harap ng referee.
Partner, kung dito makapansin natin partner, yung obvious na kakulangan sa point guard. Kahit sino makakuha ng bola, tatakbo talaga
Yes, Agdoro. Foul on number 15, Vargas.
Oo, medyo kita doon na medyo nilawit niya ng konti yung tuhod niya. Takanang tuhod niya.
Yes, partner. Agdoro, lalabas, papalitan ni Claro Jr. Ayan, additional firepower to defend the streaking guards ng Milaor. Claro, defended by Bare. Claro with the dribble. Salva, dribbling exhibition. Passes to good pass Masbanyo. Sayang, badge play na pero nakuha ni Masbanyo. He was fouled by number 13, Rason. Double black eye, partner. Nabagsakan ba ng siko ni Masbanyo? Two shots on the part of Masbanyo of Libmanan.
Pero doon partner, good defense doon eh. Doon talaga makita mo yung maturity nung ng mga guards. Swerte na lang talaga eh. At nakuha ni Masbanyo.
Yes, partner. Medyo orthodox din yung tira niya, partner. Medyo napansin ko, medyo dinadasalan niya yung bola bago niya i-shoot.
Oo. Sabi ko nga, kanya-kanyang paniniwala
partner.
yan eh. Oo.
Next to free throw, Vargas passes to Bare. Bare waiting for his teammates. Porteria. Rason to Vargas. Vargas, the top of the key, attacking the defense, loses the ball, rebound. Number 17, dribbling the ball. Passes to Claro. Claro, lob pass, stolen by Bare. Bare rushing to Razon. Razon, blocked by number 17. Ayan na. Claro kicks it out to Salva. Salva for 3. No good. Rebound by Claro. Claro for 3. No good. Rebound. Number 88 of Libmanan scores for 2. Salva. Lucky break for the part of Libmanan. Wala na. Pero nakuha pa nila yung bola.
Nadaan na lang sipag.
Yes, partner.
Nadaan sa sipag.
Again, Vargas looking for his teammates, directing traffic. May pick na hiningi. Vargas with the elbow jumper. No good. Rebound again by number 13, Rason with a short stab. No good. Vargas. No good. Number 17.
Oh, dapat mag-ingat si Julius Vargas dyan.
Yes,
partner.
Vargas commits his third foul. 4 team fouls na ang Milaor. While ang kabilang team, Libmanan, with 3 team fouls.
Kasi alam naman natin kung gaano siya ka-importante dito sa team.
Yes, partner. Puntahan na rin natin ang isang courtside reporter na si Carmela sa interview niya sa coach ng Team Milaor. Carmela, take it away.
We have here Coach Dennis Medina, ang head coach ng Team Milaor. Coach, good evening po. Kamusta naman po kayo ngayon at kahit medyo dikdikan ang labanan?
Okay lang, pero may konting, siyempre, medyo tense ka dahil nakita naman yung very close ang laban. Very close ang laban. So, tulad niya, in-interview ko, pero ang isip ko nandito sa laro eh.
Alright, Coach. So, Coach, your team, which is the Team Milaor, ended the first half with a score of 46 points at kayo yung nag-lead right now. So, Coach, this second half, ano ba yung gagawin yung play style or adjustment ngayon?
Well, tulad kanina, yung nasabi ko, kulang kami kasi kanina ng player kasi timing, sabay nung interbarangay, di ba, tinanong mo ata ako, ikaw ba yung kausap ko tayo sa taas? So ngayon, medyo confident na ako na yung magiging play namin, magiging solid talaga kasi yung dalawa naming key player nandito na ngayon. So, kung ano yung sinimulan namin kanina na solid game, yun ang tutuloy namin until the end. Yung na maging solid kami. Sa depensa, sa opensa, solid kami. We will play together.
Okay, Coach, that's good to hear dahil solid na solid kayong lalaban ngayong gabi. So, Coach, this is your chance. May gusto ka po bang batiin o pasalamatan lalo na ang iyong mga supporters?
Yes, una pinapasalamatan ko ang yung Ako Bicol for sponsoring this. Magandang ganito. Marami kayong manong talent na madidevelop. Then gusto ko rin pasalamatan ng aming municipal mayor, si Mayor Labas Reyes, sa tiwala na every time na may intertown na mga gantong palaro, tiwala niya sa akin na ako ang kinukuha niyang mag-head coach. Hindi naman ako magaling mag-basketball pero nandun pa rin ang tiwala. At saka yan, sa team ko, sana till end, solid pa rin kami. Yun ang gusto ko lang mangyari, solid kami.
That's the spirit, Coach. Thank you again and good luck po sa laro nyo ngayong gabi. Balik sa inyo, Coach John and Coach Ruel.
Thank you, Carmela, for the update para sa part ng Milaor. Yan ang partner. Tama yung na-notice natin na dumating yung mga key players pala ng Milaor.
Nagmo-multitasking pala, partner. May
Yes,
ibang laro pa.
Yes, partner. Kaya medyo gumanda. Ayan, outlet
Yes.
pass number 3 with the left hand for 2. Good outlet again on the part of Bare. Finding his open teammates and makes the shot. Jimenez against Bare with the pick. Jimenez attacking with the floater. No good. Rebound by number 11. Buket.
Yun.
Sipag din ni Mas
Banyo.
Banyo.
Oo. So, ito para makita mo, wala nang play-play. Basta kung sino makakuha ng rebound, tira na natin.
Yes, partner. Bare against Jimenez. Bare looking for his teammates with the pick. Bare with the floater.
Uy.
Nakakuha ng foul, partner.
Oo, grabe.
And as you take the style of Bare, parang ano lang siya, cool lang, partner. Hindi nararattle.
Take over mode, partner.
Yes, ako. Again, he will troop to the line for 2 again. As we makes the free throw, would like to acknowledge Commissioner Eman Faraon ng SBP.
Hi, Sir
Magandang
Eman.
gabi po.
Oo, good evening po, sir.
And lahat ng magigiting na referees na tumatakbo o nag-officiate sa mga laro. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Claro Jr. with the baseline move, passes to intercepted. Base. Partner, punta rin natin ang ating isang courtside reporter na si Miss Jessa para sa interview sa coach ng Team Libmanan. Jessa, take it away.
Yes, Coach Rowan and Coach John. Currently, Team Milaor is leading the game with a 3 points lead. Kasama ko nga ngayon ang Team Libmanan head coach, Coach Don Sandagon. Good evening, Coach. Can you share with us po some of the adjustment you've made? Kasi kanina, halos 2 digits ang kalamangan ng Team Milaor. Pero ngayon, napakadikit na ng ating score.
Bali, ang sabi ko lang sa team, konting sipag lang kasi talagang kailangan dito sa laro ito, takbuhan ng laro eh. Sipag ang kailangan, saka mag-usap sila sa loob, ibalik nila yung composure nila kasi kanina medyo nawala yung composure nung lumamang sila ng double digit. Kaya kinausap ko yung mga team na sana sipagan nila ulit, takbo lang na takbo para makabawi yung team. At least okay naman yung kinalabasan ng namin.
Yes, it seems like effective nga ang inyong naging strategy at this time. May gusto ka po bang pasalamatan sa lahat ng supporters niyo, especially sa mga taong naging dahilan kung bakit nandito po kayo ngayon?
First of all po, pinapasalamatan ko ang aming mayor, si Mayor Jess Camara. Kasi full support po ang binigay niya sa amin pagdating sa practice ng mga players, sa service, sa lahat-lahat po. Kasi kay Sir Alex Mendoza na hanggang po dito sumama sa amin para suportahan yung team namin. At sa lahat po ng mga fans ng Libmanan team, papasalamat po kami.
Yan, thank you so much for that, Coach. This is Jasmine Navalas. Back to you, Coach Rowan and Coach John.
Thank you, Jessa, sa inyong update.
So, yung partner. Talaga
Takbuhan lang ng takbuhan.
Takbuhan.
Galing talaga sa
Diba?
game plan ng kanyang coach.
Oo. At the same time, sabi niya, at least may composure daw.
Yes, partner. Yes, partner. As we take a look, number 77, Cecilio, will head to the free throw line. Kasi na-foul siya. Ng number 17 ng Libmanan. Cecilio, with his first shot, makes it. Yan, partner, maraming salamat sa mga fans talagang nanonood. Grabe, partner, despite sa medyo malayo-layo to, papasok, medyo nag-i-effort, lalo na kahapon. Gandang-ganda ng unang game, yung reception ng tao sa Ako Bicol
Punong-puno
Cup.
dito.
Grabe, punong-puno.
Oo.
Thank you sa inyo. Jimenez attacking the defense. Good defense on the part of number 3. Tinayuan lang, partner. Iba talaga. Ang malaki, si Priela.
Makita mo talaga, partner, di ba? Sabi ko nga yung lack of maturity. Nakita mo, 4 na doon, sasalaksakin mo pa rin.
Yes, partner. 4 laban sa isa.
Oh, mahirap yun.
Ayan, si Bare, directing traffic. Passes to number 3, Priela. With the dribble exhibition. Bad pass na huli.
Oo.
Ayan, partner. Huli din. Counter steal on the part of Cecilio. Bare, for 3. No good. Rebound by number 3 again. Priela. Another bounce
Uy.
pass by Priela. Another ill-advised. Medyo hindi maganda yung pasa niya. Rason.
Sabi ni number 3, sige lang, set
To
up
Bare.
natin.
With the pick. With the curl. Ang gandang pasa yun.
Oo.
Grabe, ang ganda. Ganda na pasa. 2 points for Cecilio. But a good pass on the part of Bare.
Oo, yun nangyari doon, partner. Talagang, wait lang, ayusin natin. Nag-horn sila at yun, may nangyari maganda.
Steal by Cecilio. Cecilio waiting for his teammates. Gives it to Bare. Bare dribbling. Defended by Jimenez. Bare attacking the defense. Bare with a bounce pass. Steal by Jimenez. Jimenez dribbling. Looking for his teammates. Jimenez with a crossover. With a pass. The alley-oop. 4-2
Uy,
for number 7. Ganda.
Agduro.
Agduro, good pass on Jimenez. Attacking the defense of Bilaor. The score is 56-60 in favor of Bilaor with 3 minutes and 9 seconds remaining in the third quarter.
Yun, partner, medyo ill-advise yung 3-point doon ni Bare kasi sabi ko nga kanina pa dapat niya pinasa. Yung mayroon open na yung big man niya sa ilalim tapos humihingi ng poste, hindi niya binigay which is sana mismatch yun. So, yun dapat iwasan yung mga ganon lalo kung dikit lang yung lamang na magkaroon ng mga ganong mga lapses in terms of offense.
Dipsidu
Oho.
for number 11, offensive rebound. Ayan na. Number 11,
Alunan.
tapping the ball to his teammates.
Grabe.
Grabe, mas banyo.
Oh.
Grabe yung puso ng batang ito. Talagang kung nasa ng bola, nandun siya. Good effort. Laging marireward yan. The ball will remain to Libmanan.
Actually, partner, ito yung mga masarap na mga maging player.
Yes,
Yung
partner.
ganito,
Yung
masisipag.
talagang masisipag.
Oo. Ang sarap niyan.
Correa gives it to Malbanyo. With the orthodox shot for 3. No good. Rebound by number 88, Salva. Salva for 3. No good. Rebound by Sumayaw. Outlets to Cecilio. Passes to Porteria. Porteria with the layup for 2. Ayan na naman tayo si Porteria. Porteria running the fast break. Claro gives it to Agdoro. Agdoro. Ayan na ulit. Porteria steals the ball. Passes to Cecilio. Cecilio. Euro step. Good defense para kay Claro.
Pero partner, yun nga nangyayari yung mga ganun. Dapat, naman sana yun, score na naman yun.
Yes, partner.
Medyo natapik lang. Pero, kasi pinipilit nitong Libmanan, yung na ipasok sa loob, isalaksak sa loob, through driving, na-anticipate na yan ng Milaor.
Yes, partner. As we take a look, nakakuha ng foul si Priela. And pupunta siya sa ating free throw line. 4-2. As we take a look, both teams, penalty na ang Milaor. Priela with his first free throw makes it. Partner, inuunti-unti ng Milaor ang Libmanan. Kasi medyo nakakapitalize nila yung turnovers na nakukuha ng Libmanan.
Correct. Dapat they should execute. Dapat execute nila yung half-court offense nila. Huwag nilang iasa sa puro pass break.
Yes, partner.
Transition points or transition offense. Yan, dapat paikutin nila yung bola.
Malbanyo with a spin, with a move, no good. Priela with the rebound. Priela outlets to Porteria. Porteria looking for his teammates. Passes to Cecilio. Porteria open for 3, fakes, drives, scores, misses the shot. Number 24. To Claro. Claro looking for his teammates. Agdoro open for 3. No good. Porteria gets the ball. Cecilio waiting for his teammates. Gives it to Priela. Priela entering the backcourt. Priela sizing the defense. Bumps. Wild shot. No good. Rebound by number 14. Ball will remain to Milaor.
Yun, partner. Again, yung Milaor, meron silang habit na minsan, lalo pag wala si Vargas, ganun din, pinipuwersa nila na ipasok yung na wala ng rotation, one pass and then atake.
Yes,
Huwag
partner.
ganun kasi hindi nila yung brand of play yun.
Yes, partner. Another guy pumasok para sa Libmanan. Si number 01 guy. Adding defense. Good inbound play para sa Milaor but sorry miss on the part of number 24 ng Milaor. Salva, directing traffic. Agdoro with a medium range. Book it for 2. Yeah,
May-
partner.
May
Medyo.
nangyayari talagang maganda pag nagpapasahan, partner.
Yes, partner. Very, very clear talaga. Once you share the ball, talagang makakaroon ng better offense na yan. Number 24 with the left layup for 2.
Sumayaw.
Sumayaw sa ere. Malbanyo attacking the defense. Euro. Agdoro passes to Salva. Salva open for 3. No good. Rebound by Agdoro. Sidestep for 3. No good. Rebound. Sumayaw. Dribbling. Passes to Cecilio. Cecilio with the slow-mo move. No good. Rebound by number 01 of Libana. Attacks the basket. Wild pass. He commits traveling. Candelaria commits the traveling.
Yun sinasabi ko, partner. Mas madali sana kung pinasa niya na.
Yes, partner.
Di ba? Oh.
Meron na lang tayong 13 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter with 58-66 pabor sa Milaor.
Last shot time.
Yes, Cecilio. Number 24 attacking the basket with the scoop shot. No good. Rebound by number 24. Passes to Candelaria. Outlets. Steal by number 1. That ends the third quarter with a score of 58-66 in favor of Milaor. And we are back sa uling yugto ng ating laro. Last game for today's schedule.
Correct.
Between Libmanan and Milaor. I guess this will be a war.
Oo, partner, kasi close fight eh.
Yes, partner.
Although yung momentum nasa Milaor, pero alam naman natin kakayahan itong Libmanan na anytime kahit makabalik, lalo mga bata to at talagang mahilig sa takbuhan.
Yes, partner. As we take a look, Vargas posting up with the fall away. No good. Rebound by number 20 of Milaor. Ay, Libmanan, rather. Jimenez, number 29, with the Euro. Outlets to Claro. Claro gives it to number 20 with the floater. Foul. On number 14. Partner, ngayon ko lang nakita parang familiar face tong talaga si Jimenez kasi parang naglaro siya sa Albay Leg para sa nakalimutan ko yung team pero medyo familiar.
Yes. If I'm not mistaken, talagang naglaro yan.
Yes,
Naglaro
partner,
yan.
sa Libon, I guess, partner.
Oo.
Parang naglaro siya.
So, kumbaga,
Number 20 missing the free throw.
kumbaga din siya bago sa atin.
Yes, partner. Agdoro with the offensive rebound using the board for 2.
Grabe itong Agdoro, partner.
Yes, pare. Do it all. Do it all, partner. Number 13. Waiting for his teammates. Vargas humihingi ng pick with the open 3. Kaboom! Vargas for 3.
iba yung pahinga niya, partner. Iba yung idultong pahinga niya na mahaba-haba.
Yes, partner. Talagang ginawa siguro ng coach niya. Pre-serve si Vargas sa fourth quarter.
Oo.
Huli si Rason. Bumping. Agdoro sa baseline.
Ito, partner, nangyari ito parang ano na to eh. Di na trigger combination, four guard combination na itong ginagawa ng Libmanan.
Yes, partner. Isang bigs lang nakikita ko talaga. Legit sender, parang isa lang eh.
Lahat
Ayan na.
yan.
Jimenez. Pass number 20, Hermosa. Commits number 14, Gonowon commits a foul. Coach, napapansin ko. Ganun ba talaga sa mga players? Kasi never pa naman ako naging coach ng mga magagaling na players. Ganun ba talaga pag nagdepensa at tinawagan ng foul? Laging sinasabi, coach, wala naman.
Oo. Laging ganun kasi sa kanila, good defense yun.
Yes, kumbaga
Oo.
hindi aamin pa rin
Hindi
kahit may
amin,
foul.
Oo. Kasi lalo-lalo, may mga girlfriend na mga ganda yan eh. Alam mo na yan. Coach.
Yun lang.
Di amin.
Kumbaga, last free throw na part of number 20. Coach, talaga experience talaga si coach when it comes sa loob at labas ng court. Yan. Vargas dribbling, defending his dribble, attacking Agdoro, kicks it out to number 14, Gonowon, Cecilio with the medium range, no good. Rebound by number 24, outlets to Claro, shifting, passes to Jimenez, open for three, no good. Rebound by number Vargas, all alone, speeding with a layup and a dipsy-do for Julius Vargas.
Wala pa rin kupas talaga,
Yes,
partner.
number 10, Jimenez, directing traffic, yon, umiwas, kicks it out to Claro. Claro, sizing the defense, back to Jimenez. Jimenez spins, defended by Cecilio. Jimenez passes to Agdoro. Agdoro for the corner three. Kaboom!
Buhat mo ngayon si Agdoro.
Yes, partner. The do-it-all guy for Libmanan, partner.
Oo, talaga, partner.
Number
Kung wala siya.
29. Crossing the half-court line. Partner, pansin mo, si Vargas was heavily guarded na talaga. Yun, partner, naisahan pa si Hermosa
Oo.
ni Vargas. Nilambing sa batok, partner.
Kasi yung partner, kumbaga na-recognize na ng coach ng Libmanan na talagang si Vargas ang talagang
Yes, kung anong value.
yun.
Bare, attacking the defense with the right hand. No good, rebound by Vargas.
Kita mo naman yan, rebound pa.
Vargas to Porteria. Vargas for three. No good. Ayan na yung Porteria Vargas connection, partner. Pinasok na ulit.
Yes. At kung ako naman ang coach ng Milaor, siguro kailangan bigyan nila ng pansin tong si
Agdoro for three.
Agdoro.
Kaboom!
Yan.
Back-to-back praise for Agduro.
Yun na nga parang sabi ko, siguro bigyan na rin ng pansin nila yan.
Yes, partner.
Si Agdoro.
Yes, Bare. Directing traffic. Bigyan ng pick ni Gunawon. Bare attacking the defense of Bilaor for two. Grabe, partner. Very shifty. Income. Ang point guard na ito. Ayan na si Jimenez. Attacking the defense of Gunawon. Fumbles the ball. Jimenez. Claro to Hermosa. Hermosa with a short stab. No good. Rebound by Vargas. Vargas outlets to Porteria. Porteria for two. Bucket. Grabe, partner.
Grabe.
Rebound na. Takbo ka na. Ako na ang bahala, partner.
Rebound. Pumapasa, sumushoot.
Yes,
Grabe.
partner. Jimenez with the open three. No good. He gets his own miss. Jimenez again for three. Kaboom! Partner, ang kumpiyansa, iba.
Oo.
Iba, partner.
Ito, medyo nagbabago nagbabago ng
Yes, partner.
momentum.
Yes, partner. We have a ball game. 5-5
Oo.
lang ang lamang ng Milaor with 6 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. Talaga, this will go to a neck-to-neck match sa tingin ko,
Oo.
partner.
Oo, down to. So, kapit tayo.
Yes, partner. Partner, pinagdadasal ko na walang overtime, partner. Uwi pa ako ng Legazpi, partner.
Sa bagay, partner, even odd number naman yung lamang eh. Kaya
Bagay,
okay yan.
Ayan na, do it all guy. Si Agduro. Crossing the half court.
Uy!
with the, anong tawag doon, partner? Yung Pinoy Euro step,
Yan,
pare.
Pinoy Eurostep.
Yung pinauso
Oo.
ng mga Pinoy.
Richie Rivero.
Richie Rivero move.
Yan.
Agduro will troop to the line for 2. Partner, grabe ang aggressiveness na pinapakita ni Agduro on the part of Libmanan. Kung wala si Agduro, hindi makakadikit ang larong to.
Oo, sabi ko nga, dapat bigyan na rin to ng pansin ni Coach Medina. Coach Dennis Medina.
Yes, partner, meron tayong medyo konting sagutan
Oo.
sa mga players ng both teams. Tingnan natin, may re-review. Yes, partner. Okay, partner, kita natin ang mga referees natin talagang binubusisi at pinag-aaralan
Oo.
masyado ang mga tawag para makapagbigay ng quality calls
Correct,
sa ating mga
correct.
teams. Siyempre, headed by Commissioner Eman Faraon yan.
Opo.
And yung head ng technical team ng Ako Bicol Cup, si Coach Paulo. Magandang gabi.
Magandang
Ang
gabi, Coach. Oo.
Very on hand. Simula umaga hanggang gabi. Nandito pa rin. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Padi.
So, may nawarningan sa Pilaor. For
Yes.
unsportsmanlike behavior.
Yes,
Yun.
tumawag din ng timeout si Milaor.
Yun, siguro yun na, partner, pag-usapan nila yan. Since binabantayan si si Vargas, siguro gawin naman nila yung Agduro.
Yes,
Kasi
partner.
yun talaga bubuhat. Para sa akin, partner, pag yun napigilan nila, medyo iba na magiging kumbaga tempo, mag-iiba na ng complexion ng laro dito.
Yes, partner. It's still 5 minutes and
Oo.
48 seconds. Very manageable.
Yes, oo.
Kumbaga, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Masyadong maaga pa para sabihin natin na kung sino man nanalo.
At syempre, ito rin yung libmanan, partner yung libmanan is nagawan nila ng solusyon. Yung problema nila, Vargas, pinigilan nila, Minantoma, binigay nila yung isa sa mga galing nilang mga defender. Medyo nahihirapan sila kasi nga, yung offense sila, nagsisimula kay Vargas. Doon talaga nagsisimula. So, yun. Nahihirapan sila pag ganun.
Yes, partner, ayan. Tinitingnan na ating magigiting na referees yung nangyaring sitwasyon kanina para naman maging okay ang kanilang officiating. And again, this is still your Ako Bicol Cup Camarines Sur, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Elizaldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na, kasurog pa. Thank you very much po sa andahing support
Yes po, thank you very
para
much.
sa mga Bicolano.
Mhm.
Congressman Saldi. And partner, as we take a look kung ano magiging desisyon ng ating mga referees sa nangyaring possession kanina.
Yung mga nasa lupanan natin is talaga ito yung mga isa sa magaling ng mga referees natin dito.
Yes,
Yung
partner.
Paraon Brothers.
Yes, partner. Talagang veterano
Oo.
when it comes sa mga ganyang And partner, maiba ko. I-shoutout ko lang yung madam. Basta, madam, magandang gabi sa inyo, madam.
Sige po.
Magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi.
Boss, madam, magandang gabi po. Number 10
Uy,
of Milaor.
tinawagan siya ban ng UF. Malaking bagay yan para partner?
Ay, magandang
Oo.
kasi
2 plus ball possession yan.
on the part of Libmanan, they had the chance na makascore
Correct. Oo.
na hindi gumagalaw ang oras.
Yes.
That is very crucial.
So pag pumasok yan, posibleng magtabla tayo next possession. Kasi plus ball possession pa yan.
Yes po. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng nanonood. Ayan, as you take a look kung ano ang ginawa.
So, mayroon pang sulit player. Ayun, talagang
Ay, oo. Medyo hindi nagustuhan ni Jimenez yung ginawa sa kanya. Ayan,
Correct.
ulitin. Ay, wala na. Hindi nagustuhan yung ginawa. Kaya, ayan, Jimenez will troop to the line.
excessive contact yun.
Yes, for his free throw. Jimenez makes the first. Partner, ayan ang sinasabi ko, umi-score ka na hindi gumagalaw yung oras,
Yes.
partner. Jimenez with the second shot. Makes it. Partner, I guess ball possession pa ng Limanan, partner.
Oo. Plus ball possession pa yan. So, posibleng tumabla tayo dito.
Ay, partner, may free throw pa na in-award kay ano.
Ay, oo, kasi may foul.
Yes, partner.
Nako, grabe to, partner. Uy, yun lang.
Yun lang, sumablay, partner.
Oo.
Last shot on Agduro. The time is 5 minutes and 48 seconds remaining in the last quarter. 72-76 in favor of Bilaor. Ano, may pressing defense ang Libmanan. Vargas attacking the defense, crossing over with a pull-up. Bucket,
Grabe.
very calm and composed.
Oo, napaka-clutch.
With this kinds of situation, talagang bigay mo na yung bola. Yan, Jimenez, dribbling exhibition. Outlets to Malbaño.
Uy.
What a alley-oop pass. Galing kay Vargas.
Talaga mga high in the sky play.
Ito.
Hey!
Vargas. 4-3. Ayun na.
Ito na.
Number 10, Jimenez. Kicks it out to Claro. Claro for 3. No good. Hermoso with the rebound. Agduro for 3. Kaboom!
Grabe talaga yung Agduro, partner.
And now, partner, dalawa na lang.
Oho.
Dalawa na lang ang lamang
Buhat na buhat.
ng Milaor. Vargas hinihingi ang bola. Number 24. Posting, number 11. Merong foul na nakita si ref. Number 11, Malbaño.
Yun din talaga ang problema, partner. Pag kayo ay nag-4 guard o 3 guard combination, sa defense, doon kayo may hirapan.
Yun, poposte yan at poposte yan.
Oo.
Lalo na kung kalaban nyo ganito, mga malalaking guards.
Yes! Saka talaga mga galing na post player. So, gamble yan talaga, gamble.
Yes, partner, kita mo, medyo meron tayong mga lambingan sa loob.
Oo.
Kasi, again, this is a dikit na laban with 78-80 in favor of Milaor with 4 minutes and 39 remaining sa ating last quarter.
So, ito partner, ito kung sino nila ang mga composed na team dito, yung siyang mananaig. Kasi normally pag ganitong mga labanan, dikit, Diyos ko, ang mga puso.
Yes, partner, dyan mo makikita.
Oo.
Dyan mo makikita
Kung
kung
sino,
sino
talaga.
yung mga bata sa mga mama na naglalaro.
Yan. Tingnan natin kung ang composure nitong mga Libmanan kasi mga bata to is andon. At siyempre, kung yung Milaor is manipapanindigan nila yung sabi ko nga yung experience nila.
Okay, partner, nandito rin ang isang ating courtside reporter ulit para magbigay ng update sa kanyang report para sa Team Libmanan. Take it away.
Thank you, Coach Rowan and Coach John. Team Libmanan is giving their all-out efforts for the final stretch of this matchup. The determination and resiliency of this team is very commendable. So keep tuning in at sabay-sabay nating tutukan kung tuluyan ngang makakalamang ang Team Libmanan. That's what it is. Back to you, Coach Rowan and Coach John.
Thank you sa update. I guess may nangyaring injured player for the part ng ng Libmanan. I guess si Malbaño.
So, tingnan natin, titingnan nyo.
Masbaño, rather.
Oo. Siyempre, gusto natin ng quality na games, physical, pero wala naman yung sana.
Yes.
Ganyan ang mga injuries.
Yes, partner. Kasi ayaw natin yung makita yung mga injuries na yan.
Oo.
Kasi kawawa lang mga players pag
Correct,
nagkaroon sila ng severe na injury.
Pero yung mga simpleng mga bumps and bruises lang, laban yan.
Laban yan.
Alaksan lang yan.
Yes, oo. Kinabukasan, pagpag lang yan.
Oo.
Again, partner, maraming salamat sa nanonood sa ating Facebook page. Salamat sa panonood. And also, we have a YouTube channel, Ako Bicol Cup. Paki-like, subscribe na lang and share ng page para makapanood kayo ng mga quality games kung anong meron ng Ako Bicol Cup.
Correct.
Kamsur Leg.
Hindi lang sa Kamsur Leg, at least yung sa Albay.
Yes, meron.
Oo.
Na-upload na rin dun sa page yung
Correct.
mga games.
Yes.
Yan, Vargas looking for his teammates. Passes to number 24. Intercepted. Vargas dribbling. Fakes. Up and under. No good. Rebound by number 17. Outlets to Jimenez. Jimenez looking with the Euro. Foul was given by Sumayaw, number 24.
Medyo
Galing.
nahuli dun.
Yes.
Medyo nahuli sa Mayo.
Galing din ni Jimenez. Sinukat niya muna yung depensa ng number 24 saka sa gumalaw. And he will troop to the line for 2 again. This free throw is very crucial, partner. Kasi dalawa lang ang laman ng Milaor.
Actually, kanina partner, kung pumapasok lang, sabi ko nga, kung pumapasok lang ang free throw ng Libmanan, kanina pa, medyo lomang sila.
Yan, again, humingi ng timeout si
Oo.
Milaor. Kasi he wants to clarify things. Di ko alam kung ano ang hinihiling niya.
Oo. Medyo yung kasi, coach partner, kapag ganito, yung lamang ka kanina, and then all of a sudden, ito dumikit, tapos medyo nawalan ng composure yung team mo, nakaka-frustrate talaga yan, partner. Nakaka-frustrate.
Yes, partner. Kaya tingnan natin coach ng Milaor talking to our referees to explain his side.
Yes.
Partner, 4 minutes and 25 seconds remaining in our fourth and final quarter. 78-80 in favor of Milaor.
Grabe. Sabi, ito na yun kung sino talaga yung mas matatag ang puso, siya ang mananalo dito. Ang may matinding determinasyon. Ito kasi, partner, itong grupo na to ng Libmanan, noon to, na kahit mga bata to, mga palaban to
Ay talaga, partner.
Oo, kasi
Kumbaga, kultura.
Yes, doon sa rin ko na lumalaban to nananalo to.
Talaga, partner.
Dumadayo pa yan.
Yes, yung winning tradition siguro talaga hand to hand. Pinapasa
Correct.
ng mga dating manlalaro up to this day. And as we take a look, number 10, trooping for the line, makes the first one. Grabe, partner.
So, kapit tayo, kapit.
Yes, partner. Talagang inuunti-unti na libanan lamang ng Milaor. Jimenez missing the second one. Ball will remain to Libmanan. Ako, partner, crucial.
Correct.
Crucial yung possession na yun, partner.
Pati yung momentum and break sa kanila na.
Yes,
Nasa
partner.
Libmanan na.
Jimenez guarded by Porteria. Crosses over with the left hand. No good.
Uy!
Sayang. Sorry, miss on the part of Jimenez. Vargas entering the half court, looking for his teammates. Passes to Cecilio. Cecilio blocked by Jimenez. Grabe, partner. Good defense on the
Grabe.
part of Jimenez. Blocking the shot of Cecilio.
Ito na-anticipate na nila yung biglang cut.
Yes,
Sa
partner.
ilalim.
Good pass sana kay Vargas,
Oo.
pero grabe yung depensa. Porteria. Looking for Bare. Bare. Humihingi ng pick. Vargas gives the pick. Bare. Stops. Gives it to Vargas. Vargas to number 24. Posting up na. Putukan ng 24-second shot clock, partner. Sayang.
Hindi alam, partner.
Yes,
Oras.
on the part, kasalanan ng point guard yun. They should be
Correct.
aware kung ano dapat ang nangyayari sa loob ng court. And kumbaga sila ang pangalawang coach
Correct.
sa loob ng court, partner.
Yun, partner, siguro may patig factor na din.
Yes. Claro with the long three. No good. Rebound by number 24. Passes to Vargas. Vargas outlets to Cecilio. Cecilio waiting for his teammates. Porteria open for 3. No good. Rebound by Claro. The smallest guy on the floor running, rushing, slashing. No good. Sayang, partner. Ang gandang momentum na sana yon.
Mapapansin mo, partner, although, andun na yung momentum, lahat ng breaks andun na. Pero hindi pa rin makuha nung kalamangan
Yes, partner.
ng Libmanan.
Mailap ang pagtawid ng lamang sa Libmanan,
Oo.
partner. Ilang possession na. As you take a look, Vargas looking for his teammates, crossing the half-court line, wasting the clock. And partner, andito na rin ang isang ating magandang courtside reporter na si Carmela Hernandez para sa kanyang report para sa Team Milaor. Carmela, take it away.
Team Libmanan and Team Milor is on fire right now. As we can see, mga kasurog, mainit itong labanan dahil hindi nagkakalayo ang mga kanilang puntos. Kaya todo kayod ang Team Milor sa laban na ito dahil kailangan nila mapanatili ang kanilang leading score tonight. Kaya tingnan natin kung ano pa ang magiging mga adjustment nila sa mga ganitong pagkakataon at ang pagiging solid ng Team Milor. Sabi nga ni Michael Jordan, talent wins games but teamwork and intelligence wins championships. Balik sa inyo, Coach Ruben and Coach John.
Thank you, Carmela, for that wonderful quote. Galing sa ating GOAT,
Yun,
na si Michael Jordan.
from our idol.
Yes, partner. Partner, 79-82 in favor of Bilaor with 3 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. A steal!
Nako.
Muntik na, partner.
Oho.
Jimenez open for 3. No good. Rebound by number 20, Hermosa.
Ay,
Nako, may nakita. May
Oo.
nakitang tulakan sa loob. Foul on the part of Hermosa, number 20.
kitang-kita talaga partner na talagang may foul. Kasi nagkaroon ng rebounding battle na umalagwas sa kamay niya yung bola at yun gusto niyang ikuhanin ulit, sakto andun yung mukha ng isang player.
Grabe, partner. Sayang. Open 3.
Milor.
Open 3.
Oo.
Hindi na-connect. Pantabla sana.
Oo, may ganun talaga partner. Kung kailan andun na yung tagumpay, hindi po makuha.
Yes, partner.
Kung titis pa.
Base will troop to the line for 2 as he misses the first one. Nako, partner, this boils down the wire yung mga free throws na ganito.
Oo.
It will affect the end of at the end of the game kung hindi mo ito mako-convert.
Oh.
Bare with the last no good rebound. Wow, kalawit rebound. Passes to Claro. Claro. Dribbles.
Ay, nako.
Ay, good defense on the part of
Oo.
Bare. Nahuli.
Nailang siya.
Nailang. Medyo dinikitan siya ni Bare. With 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining sa ating huling yugto, 79-82, pabor sa Milaor.
So, ito nga partner. Kahit sabihin natin na yung lamang is napakaliit lang parang Milaor, pero hirap na hirap talagang lamangan.
Yes.
So, habulin ng libanan. Kanina
Yes.
pa yan.
Ayan na si Vargas for the long three. Kaboom! Vargas for 3!
Because of that, coach. Because of that. Yan.
Yes, partner. What a shot. Grabe, partner. Very composed,
Grabe.
partner. Iba.
Grabe.
Iba ang steady and veteran presence talaga, partner.
Yun nga, sabi ko, Julius Vargas is a gem for this Milaor team.
Kaya, partner, as you
Oo.
take a look, ayan, partner.
Yun na.
Malayong tiro,
Oo.
binitawan. Yan yung mga tipong tinitingnan yung depensa. Akala mo papasa pero bibitaw ng malupit na tres, partner.
From one possession ball game, naging 2 na.
Yes, partner. 6-point lead on the part of Bilaor. Pero, partner, hindi pa tapos ang
Hindi
laban.
pa tapos. Sabi
Very
ko-
manageable.
Oo, sabi ko nga lahat yan dito sa kabila, tumitira ng 3 yan.
Yes, with the likes of Jimenez,
Oo.
with the likes of
Agduro.
Claro, Agduro. Di pa natin sila pwedeng i-count out kasi with 2 minutes, 6 lang ang lamang ng Milaor. It's very manageable.
Ito na, partner. 4-guard lineup.
Yes, ayan na. Ayan na.
4-guard.
4-guard lineup and number 20 lang. Si Hermosa lang ang kanilang big man. So expect ay running game come sa mga natitirang minuto ng larong ito. Claro in the corner. Passes to Salva. Salva. Dribbles. Muntik na mabitawan ng bola. Tumalbanyo. No go. Wow. Ayan na ho. Porteria. Passes to Bare. Bare to Porteria. Waiting for his teammates. Vargas fakes the shot with the layup. No good. Jimenez rushing. Looking for teammates. Passes to number 88 Salva. Commits a traveling. Wow. A costly turnover. Very bad turnover on the part. Sayang. Nandun na yung possession. Nandun na yung rhythm. And then they commit
Correct.
a turnover. Yes, as we enter the twilight zone, Bare directing traffic. Passes to Vargas. Vargas on the top of the key. Dribbles with the left. Hesitates. Foul.
Grabe.
Grabe. Kumbaga, take over na to, partner. Take over na.
Kasi kung mapansin niya, si Jimenez yung bantay niya. Jimenez, medyo bulky. Pero in terms of size, parehas lang sila.
Yes.
Alam niya, mas mabilis siya dito.
Yes, partner.
Grabe, gulang talaga.
Mabilis at konting gulang, partner.
Nito. Oo.
Vargas with his first free throw calmly sinks the first one.
Ito, mapansin mo partner si Vargas, di ba? Nakapako-poker face eh. Di mo alam kung na-pressure siya o ano ba.
Yes, mga ganon. Ganon yung magandang attitude sa loob ng court, partner. Meron namang ibang players na talagang patawa-tawa lang pero akala mo hindi effective pero talagang kakainin ka rin sa loob ng court.
Oo.
Yan, 2 for 2 for the veteran Vargas.
So, doon makita natin partner kung yun ba ay maging assurance basket na or makakabalik pa ang Libmanan.
Yes, partner. I guess stops will be made ng Libmanan and then once they convert, siguro medyo magiging close game pa to, partner.
Oo. Pero sabi ko nga, hindi rin kasi nila magawa yung run and gun nila partner eh. Kasi nakakababa agad.
Yes,
yung,
partner.
Yung Milaor. Tapos ang problema, ang lalaki.
Yes,
Hindi sila makatira ng maayos.
Yun ang advantage kasi ng Milaor. Yung mga guards nila talaga malalaki.
Oh, lalaki.
And as we see, ang coach ng Milaor giving instructions to his players on what to do sa ating nalalabing oras na 1 minute and 45 seconds sa huling yugto.
Ako, normally pag ganyan na partner, ganitong situation, lamang ko is ganyan lang. Hindi ko pa rin sinasabi na relax na natin to. Wag. Again, the momentum is there, diretso lang natin. Kasi delikado pa to eh.
Yes, partner. Ayan na si Agduro, the top of the key, faking for 3. Between the legs, passes to Salva. Salva with the dribble, with that floater. 2 points. Yan, partner.
Ito yung inaantay mo.
Yes, partner. Ayan sila. Medyo, compose pa rin. Not trashing the shot.
Ako, tinatawagan yan.
Yan.
Buti napansin nila.
Vargas crossing the line. Porteria open for 3. No good. Rebound by Vargas at may nakitang foul ang ating referee. Sino ang matatawagan? Foul number 77. Cecilio committing his foul. I guess, partner, parehong penalty na ata or yes,
Parehas na.
yes, partner, parehong penalty kaya medyo hahaba-haba
Oo.
laro to. Look, si Claro with his first free throw shot. Claro sinks the first one.
Oo. So, pag ikaw naman naghahabol partner, normally ito nang gusto mo. Dapat mag-penalty na kayo.
Yes, partner.
Para foul na lang.
Yes, partner. Sana di ko mabawi kasi babatiin ko yung kung gaano ka-relax mag-free throw si Claro.
Oo.
Ayan, naipasok niya yung dalawang free throws niya. Very kalmado. With 1 minute and 21 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter, 83-87.
4-point lead partner, very
4-point
manageable.
lead by Milaor.
Oo.
Ayan na, yung pressure na ini-imply ng Libmanan over Milaor. Tingnan natin kung anong adjustment sa mga players sa loob ng court. Number 24 attacking the defense of Black. Agduro with the rebound. Outlets to Malbaño. Malbaño with a scoop. No good. Rebound by Cecilio. Gives the ball to Vargas and wisely waits for his teammates and set his place. Vargas looking for offense. Vargas.
Grabe.
Kaboom!
Grabe talaga.
Vargas takes over with 6-point lead with 50 seconds remaining. Claro sneaks. No good on the part of Claro. Good defense by number 24.
Oo, hirap na
Sumayaw.
talaga. Partner.
Grabe. Tinaas lang ang kamay ni Sumayaw. Ayan.
Oo.
With 14 seconds remaining on the shot clock, Hermosa. Out is Agduro. Agduro looking for his teammates. Sizing the defense with a pick. Agduro with a long three. No good.
Yun, partner. Wag ganun.
Partner, huli.
Oo, frustration na yan.
Huli si Hermosa.
Oo, sayang.
Nakita ko na may...
May paiwan.
Yes, partner. Sayang, partner, kasi it's a manageable lead pa.
Correct.
Kaya pa.
Sayang yan.
I guess we'll wait for the final
Oo.
judgment kung anong bibigay ng mga ating mga referees.
Kung normal foul lang yan, okay lang. Pero pag nang UF yan, malaking problema na yan.
Yes, partner. And partner, habang nagre-review ating mga referees, batiin ko na rin yung mga katrabaho ko, partner. Sa Asia United Bank, headed by ang aking branch manager na si Sir Ian. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Sa mga kasaf ko, si Ma'am Franz, si Mini, si Kla, si Sam, at si Jeff. Magandang gabi sa inyo mga boss.
Siyempre, ako na rin siguro. Batiin ko na ang kasama ko sa Camsur Express. Siyempre, ang aming team owner na si Governor Luigi Villafuerte.
Good evening po.
Oo, at siyempre, ang team governor namin, si Engineer Solomon.
Yes po, good evening din.
Mga coaches namin, si Coach Roland Harque, Coach JP Diswangco, Coach Noel, Coach Jovin. Yun, kita-kita tayo bukas at may meeting tayo.
Yon. UF ang tinawag. Number 20, 2 free throws on the part of Milaor. Plus, I guess, ball possession. Sayang, partner. Sayang. Kala ko didikit pa. 2 free throws will be awarded to Cecilio. Cecilio for the first free throw. Calmly sinks the first one. Grabe, partner. Ito na yung sinasabi natin, mga bata kontra mama. Ayan, Cecilio with the second free throw. Another basket on the part of Cecilio. Ball will remain to Milaor with 39 seconds, 83-91. Pabor sa Milaor. Cecilio. A quick foul is given. Okay, may instruction siguro si coach na to use the fouls. And then again, a counter ulit. Tumawag ng timeout si Milaor.
Correct. Ito, partner. Ako sana doon, okay lang yung talang magfa-foul ka na. Pero sana, go for the steal muna. Sayang, walang ka-effort, pinaul lang.
Yes, partner.
At yung pinalo pa nila, free throw shooter yun. Siguro pag ito pumasok na lang free throw, I think that's the end of the ball game na.
Yes, partner.
At medyo yung oras is talagang pabor na dito sa Milaor.
Yes, partner. Kaya ganyan, tingnan natin yung coach ng Libmanan giving instructions to his players na siguro not to give up because may 38 seconds pa.
Correct.
Anything is possible. Alam naman natin pagdating sa basketball, walang safe hanggat hindi natatapos ang final buzzer.
Para sa akin, quick 3 and then another quick 3 again, okay na yan.
Yes, partner. Medyo magandang complexion kung ganun, partner. Ayan, we are back to our ball game with 38 seconds remaining. 91 for Milaor, 83 for Libmanan.
Ito, kinounter, partner. Kasi alam nila, papaul na to eh. Pinasok nila yung mga, kumbaga, ganador nila sa loob.
Yes, partner. Another made free throw kay Cecilio. Walang kaalog-alog, partner. Net na lang ang tinatamaan, partner.
So, kumbaga, magdadalawang isip na ang dito, ang Libmanan kung magpa-foul pa sila.
Yes, ito, pinasok pa si Porteria for possible na bakay foul. Ayun, nagmintis, nabati ko, pasensya na.
Yun, di pa tumingin.
Ayan na, klaro, hesitation. Passes to Salva, black by Porteria. Okay.
I think that's it.
I guess that's it, partner.
Ngunit foul na.
With 7-point lead. Medyo safe to say, kumbaga. Eto na. Bare.
So, final score na
At the top
natin
of the key. Vargas dribbling, wasting the time. Bare. Hindi na ata. Ayun, partner. Natapos na ang ating laro sa score na 83-92.
Meron pa, partner. 5 seconds pa.
Meron pa.
Nag-shot
Akala ko,
violation.
shot clock violation pala. Sorry, partner. Di obvious na nagmamadali, partner. My bad. Ayan na.
Ayan.
Claro with the long three. No good. Rebound by Cecilio. And ito na. Finally, tapos na.
Okay.
For the score, 83-92. In favor of Milaor, partner. I guess,
Obvious siguro.
that sets it all. Talagang, di natin alam. Ito na. Pinakita pa rin ng experience.
Yes.
Nanalo. Kontra sa mga bagito ng Libmanan, partner.
So, yung nga sabi ko kanina, partner, patience and discipline wins against talent.
Yes, partner. Final thoughts sa ating nakaraang laro. Ano ang ating assessment, partner?
Kasi yun nga, partner, yung talaga ng Libmanan is to run and gun. But yung problema natin is yung immaturity nila.
Yes, partner. Tsaka, plus yung dumating Yung mga nalit na players.
Pumasok
Kaya,
bigla.
yun,
Navarre.
take a look, some highlights sa ating laro. Partner, grabe yung mga highlights sagutan ng third quarter, partner. Medyo dun, gumanda yung complexion ng laro. But still, nanaig ang Milaor with the veteran leadership of Porteria and Vargas, partner.
Oo. So, ito yung mga talaga tumabuhat mo Agduro ka kanina.
Yes, partner. Si Agduro, we'd like to give credit sa kanya kasi kung yung never give up attitude niya, nandun. But they fell short, partner.
Oo.
So, ayan na, partner. Yung binabanggit natin kanina.
Sabi ko, obvious na yung
Obvious
sinuha
na.
ng best player.
Yes, with the cold-blooded shots na ginawa niya, Julius Vargas, with the kasurog player of the game natin. Nakikita ko, kinukuha na ng picture na.
Pangdagdag may day na naman yan.
Yes, partner. Yes, partner. Partner. Ako ata, partner, siguro sa isang taon, mga 2 beses lang ako nakapagpalit kasi malimit mag-best player, partner.
Ako nga, wala na eh. Di nagpapalit.
Kaya yan, partner, si take a look, nakakita natin yung mga highlights sa ating laro. Porteria, isa din sa nag-spearhead
Oo, yung
ng run.
Lalo yung simula.
Yes, partner, isa din sa mga nag-spearhead ng run ng Milaor together with Vargas. Ayan, partner, yung batang-batang galaw.
Oo, yung deep sea do.
Oo.
Inulit pa talaga. Uy, ganda. Parang Berhel Meneses.
Oo, partner. Uy, batang-bata yung Sara. Berhel. Napapaghahalata tayo.
Oo.
Partner. Yun ang mga gusto natin. Si Berhel, si Kenneth.
Yan.
Kenneth Duremdes, partner.
Noliloxin.
Ay, ayan. Ayan, kaya
So, yun na. Actually, daming mga highlights. Yung
Yes,
larong
partner,
ito pa,
oo.
yung Dagger 3-2 eh.
yan, partner. Biglang napasuntok sa ere, partner. Sayang, sagutan sana ng 3 points. Medyo kinapos lang talaga. And siguro, give credit to number 10, Jimenez.
Oo.
And ito na, partner. Dito na ang ating courtside reporter na si Carmela Hernandez para sa Kasurug MVP Player of the Game ng Team Milaor. Carmela, take it away.
Our Kasurug player of the game, walang iba kundi si Julius Vargas, garnering 24 points, 7 rebounds, 4 assists, and 3 steals. So Julius, first of all, congratulations po. So sa tingin mo, ano ba yung naging strategy nyo, or yung naging sikreto nyo as a team at naipanalo nyo ang gabing ito?
Unang-una, salamat kay Lord sa panalong ito. And siyempre sa teammates ko and coaches na nagtiwala sa akin during na last quarter. Yun lang, sabi sa akin ni coach, kung pwedeng take over na. And then, siyempre, lahat kami halos veterano eh. Yun ang ginawa namin, yung experience namin. Yun ang medyo nakapanalo sa amin.
Alright, that's it. So may gusto ko bang batiin o pasalamatan lalo na yung mga sumusuporta sa iyo?
Binabati ko pala yung mga auntie ko sa Valenzuela City, si Auntie Loy, si Auntie Tessan, si Auntie Sally Mapa, saka yung girlfriend ko nasa itaas, and then yung mga taga-Igualdad na nanonood. Thank you po. Tsaka sa mga Milaor fans na nanood sa FB live streaming ng Ako Bicol Cup. Come Sorleg.
Thank you po at once again, congratulations. Balik sa inyo, Coach Ruben at Coach John.
Yan, thank you, Carmela, partner. That's Sesidol. Nakita natin yung body language kung gaano kasaya ng Milaor kasi as they cheer yung ating Kasurug best player of the game na si Julius Vargas.
Correct.
Partner, final thoughts sa ating last game.
Ito na, yung nga sabi ko, again, kung tatakbo tayo, dapat with composure. Hindi lang puro takbo-takbo. Hindi yung pag tumakbo tayo, isang pasa, yun na. Hindi pwede yun. Lalo pag may ganoon tayong mga kalaban na katulad nito Milaor na mga veterano. So yun, another lesson naman yun na matutunan natin na ang basketball is hindi lang one dimension. Dapat marami tayong dimension.
Yes, partner. And then, that says it all. Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Ako Bicol Cup. Come Sure Leg. Good night.